I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and after that I'm going to type here 1F6A7. Okay, I type like this 1F6A7. I can see in my keyboard this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So one of my finger is in this Alt key and another is in this S key. So if I press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that a symbol like this, the construction symbol. So you can see this symbol in places the road construction is going on. You can create this symbol in Word using this keyboard shortcut. So simply just to type in Word 1F6A7, and after that you press these two keys at the same time for creating this symbol. Of this video, see for more videos, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.